for the interactivity portion of our class. So I'm here on the page with the links, and I'm going to find my hyperlinks panel, which is right over here. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the list of hyperlinks that you can use for this document. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm easily just going to highlight the URL. And I'm going to come over here to my hyperlinks, and I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm going to click Create New Hyperlink. And what this is, let me just go through here. URL, yep. Okay, so I click OK. And what it's doing is making a list of hyperlinks that we can use in our document. Now, do not type in URLs. I learned this a long time ago when I was a web designer. Always copy it from the browser, because one letter and it won't work. So now I've got my 4 hyperlinks, and those are all ready. If I were to export this right now, these would not link, because even though we've made our hyperlinks, we haven't attributed them to these buttons. So now what I'm going to do is one at a time. I'm going to click the frame, and I'm going to go over here to our list, and then using our little pull down, I'm going to tell it where to go. So when somebody clicks on this rectangle, it's going to go here. When somebody clicks on Buy Soap Nuts, it's going to go to the buysoapnuts.com. Soap Nuts Pro is going to go to Soap Nuts Pro. And this is my website in case anybody wants to come and visit me. And now what we can do is we can test our links. For this one, instead of exporting our EPUB again, I'm going to open up my EPUB interactivity preview. And so in this section, we're going to be doing a bunch of interactivity stuff, and we're going to preview it right here. It's a very simple panel. Down here on the lower right hand corner, you have 2 modes that you can work in. One is a single page mode, which is here, and this one is the entire document. Right now we're just going to preview this one page that we're on, so the one page preview is fine. Moving over here, the play button will play the page, and so I'm going to go ahead and click it, and so now we see our links. And so if we go ahead and kind of run our pointer over, we see that it turns into a little pointy hand, and if I click it, it's going to show me that, yep, it works. So awesome, we've added our links to our document, and now we're ready to move on to adding some animation.